So, ang kagandahan sa ganitong curriculum is personalized. So, it caters dun sa needs at level and pace ng bata. That's why we have diagnostic tests. For us, it's not the diagnostic test is not for pass or fail. We want to understand kasi kung anong level ng bata and where we can better help them and where we can meet them. Ang
Mm.
goal ng diagnostic test is for us to identify yung mga learning gaps. Kasi merong mga bata na um, maybe they're grade 5 already pero hindi nila na-master yung preposition, they didn't master yung sa match, sa division, and things like that, yung mga foundational. Tapos, kapag gano'n ang nangyayari, bumababa yung confidence nila eh. Kasi as they move along sa higher learning, lalo silang nahihirapan. Lalo nilang na iisip na, uy, baka I'm not really good sa academic or I'm not really good sa yun, sa mga subjects na to. Kasi ang problema lang is meron silang mga na-miss or meron silang mga hindi talaga naiintindihan na hindi na talaga na-address in a classroom setting. So, ang kagandahan ng ganitong curriculum is personalized. So, whatever questions and struggles that children will have, i-address ng teacher in a one-to-one approach.
Mm.
Because it's not like yung katulad na sinabi mo kanina, yung clay or cookie cutter. We don't expect na lahat ng grade 5 will be able to understand yung mga sinasabi nilang grade 5 lessons. But we want to see them where they are, and at the same time let them know na we are here to help them based on kung anong level sila. So, it's not social promotion, but more of mastery also.